Greetings everyone, welcome to my channel Learn with Anu Bajaj. Today I will be discussing the topic classification of business activities. Let's get started. Business activities can be classified on various bases. Classification on the basis of function. All business activities can be classified into two broad categories. First, industry. Second, commerce. Industry meaning and types. Converts raw material into useful product. We'll discuss 5 activities. First, economic activities which are connected with conversion of resources into useful products. Second, activities include related to production and processing. Third, activities in which mechanical appliances and technical skills are involved. Fourth, activities related to rearing and reproduction of animals or other living species. Fifth, the term industry is also used to refer to a group of firms producing similar or related goods. For example, cement industry refers to all the firms manufacturing cement. Services like banking and insurance are also referred to as industry. Industry may produce consumer goods or capital goods. Let's have clear-cut understanding of consumer goods and capital goods. Consumer goods. Goods such as bread, butter, electronic items, and they directly used by consumers. Capital goods. Goods such as machinery, cement, used further in production process to make useful products. Industry is further classified as primary industry, secondary industry, and tertiary industry. Primary industry concerned with extraction of natural resources and reproduction of living species can be further classified into extractive industry and genetic industry. Extractive industry involve in extraction of something from natural resources such as minerals from earth, fish from rivers and seas, timber from forest. Usually end products of these industries are transformed into many other useful goods. Such processes is done by manufacturing units. Important extractive industries are farming, mining, lumbering, hunting and fishing operations. So, products of these industry can be directly used or become the raw materials for the other industries. Genetic industry involves activities of rearing and breeding of living organisms, that is birds, plants, animals, etc. For example, first rearing of cattle for milk dairy farm, poultry farm, second rearing of plants in nursery, third growing fish in farms. Thank you. Tip of the day. Nurture your relations with your loved ones. Shred your inflated ego. Be humble, kind, gentle, sober. Cherish your relationship to have blissful existence. In my next tutorial, I will take up the topic secondary industry. Thank you. Stay happy, stay safe and do take very good care of yourself.